COVID infections in Hong Kong have jumped to another record amid fears that a new high may be set tomorrow because of a large number of preliminary positive cases. The spike has raised fears that hospitals and quarantine centers are quickly running out of space as fresh outbreaks grip care homes for the elderly and hospitals. After dipping below 1,000 yesterday, COVID cases in Hong Kong soared to a new high today. There were 1,325 infections, and only 2 were imported. Most were of the Omicron variant. There's concern that confirmed cases will surge tomorrow, as there were 1,500 preliminary positive cases. COVID claimed 2 more lives, an 86-year-old man in Yan Chai Hospital and an 88-year-old woman in Queen Elizabeth Hospital. The man had been vaccinated. 5 people have died so far as Hong Kong grapples with the 5th COVID wave. 2 patients are in critical condition, while 11 others were classified as severe. More staff and residents of care homes for the elderly have been sent to quarantine after new infections were detected in 9 centers. This included the online branch of Phyto Home for the Aged in Tuen Mun. 2 people there tested preliminary positive, while some had positive results from rapid tests. Around 40 people will be isolated. So far, 35 homes for the elderly have been affected in the current wave. There were also outbreaks in 2 hospitals. 6 patients in Sha Tin Hospital's medical wards tested positive, while Tuen Mun Hospital's gynecology and obstetrics department logged 3 infections and 10 close contacts. The hospital authorities said around 40 of its staff in various hospitals tested positive. Health officials, meanwhile, apologized for COVID patients having to wait for a long time to get beds because capacity has been stretched thin.
We're talking about the strategies of how we handle a huge numbers of patients. And actually, we share the direction that we try to limit hospital to handle those needy groups, including those elderly, those small kids, and also other special considerations such as patients with the major medical background or maybe the pregnant.
Other groups will be sent to Asia World Expo and Penny's Bay, which will open Phase 2 with 1,200 rooms. Authorities are also preparing to expand capacity at Asia World Expo.